During the commissioning of an MF1350EVO gun drilling and milling machine, we carried out a series of machining operations on a forged copper block. We perform a deep drilling operation using a 32mm diameter gun drill. A dedicated deep hole drilling machine is specifically designed to optimally guide this type of tool and ensure the correct flow of high-pressure coolant. Here is a drilling operation using a 32mm diameter spade drill, performed via the milling spindle. Thanks to our independent spindle system, the machine automatically switches between the gun drilling spindle and the milling spindle without any operator intervention. In this facing operation, an 80mm cutter removes 1mm of material per pass. The liquid-cooled ISO 50 spindle, rated at 29 kilowatts, delivers consistent power even during the most demanding milling tasks. We conclude with the milling of a pocket using a 16mm cutter. The optimization of each of the two spindles for its respective function ensures efficiency, precision, and extended tool life.